Here we are with Adski himself, the main man. Anyone needs their bikes doing in Birmingham, let me know. He's got bike detailing, servicing, cleaning. Old school 90s bike, man. Get them retro parts put on. Some new pedals. Everything's off eBay. eBay everything. So we'll see how it goes. But my new pedals, new light retro. We want big ass battery pack. So I don't think I'll be running out of juice real quick. Some new grips, because the ones on it don't even match. Some Jaguar kit there, full kit. Old school brake blocks, blue. Look at the size of them bad boys, man. Hey, stop buses, they will. New handlebars. That's not mine. But yeah, old school. Oh, she was a state. She's gonna be beautiful. Let me show you some of Adam's kit though, look. That's what we're dealing with. That's what we're dealing with. Everything custom. Bits and bobs, everything. Nothing standard around here. Or turn your bike into where you want it. Look at this. Beautiful. £1,200 stock that bike is. I dare to think what it's worth now with all its bits and bobs on it. Oh, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Heavy duty. Looks like a crosser. Good bit of kit. And if anyone's looking for an old school retro bike, they want to buy them. It's not cheap, but 1993, doors at edge. Oh, mint. Look at them shocks on it, old school that. The main man, say hello to YouTube. Say hello, mate. How you doing? YouTube live, say hello. Say hello, this is Louis. He's got fluffy hair and a Montclair jacket. Giving it to 16 girls, 16 years. Are you a taken man though? Nah, alright, hey! Yeah, you know what I mean? I'll add him, what is it, Louis.r1 on Instagram? Yeah. Louis.r1 Instagram. Adski, the main man. The main man himself. Inside the raving crew! Yeah, so that's it guys. It's a little bit of this and a little bit of that.